This is Buckle Down page 130, Guided Practice, Graph Patterns. Create two patterns with 5 terms that both start at 0. Use two different rules, add 1 and add 4. Form order pairs of corresponding terms from the two patterns and graph them. How do the terms in the two patterns seem to be related? Okay, first, realize that add 1 is the first rule, which deals with x-coordinate. Add 4 is the next pattern that deals with y-coordinate. Alright, write the first 5 terms for x-coordinate. Starts with 0. Each time you need to add 1. 1. Add 1 to it and you get 2. Add 1 to 2 and you get 3. Add 1 to 3 and you get 4. Write the first 5 terms of y-coordinate. Add 4 is the rule for y-coordinate. So 0, add 4 to that, you get 4. Add 4 to that, you get 8. Add 4 to that, you get 12. Add 4 to that, you get 16. Okay, now write order pairs of corresponding terms. 0, 0, 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 12, 4, 16. Graph the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane below. Compare the terms to see how they are related. Notice 0 to 0, 1 to 4, 2 to 8, 3 to 12, 4 to 16. All these have same pattern, which happens to be times 4. Whatever you have in x, if you multiply by 4, you get y. 0 times 4 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16, so on. Alright, so this is what it means. Y is equal to x times 4. Whatever you have in x, if you multiply it by 4, you get y. Alright, so if you have 4 in y, well, how did you get it? 1 times 4. You got 8 on y. How did you get it? You multiply that 2 by 4. Same thing. How did you get that 16? Well, whatever you have in x, which is 4, if you multiply by 4, you get 16. So let's go ahead and use this coordinate plane and let's graph the order pairs. This is your x and this is your y. Alright, we're going to plot 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 4, over 1, up 4. 2, 8, over 2, up 8. 3, 12, over 3, up 12. Notice we always start from 0, 0. This is what we call origin. Next, 4/16. 4 over 4 up 16. The value of y coordinate is 4 times the value of x coordinate. And we write this as y is equal to x times 4. Thanks.